Good morning, folks. We're back with another one in a baled wheat field, and it's pretty wet, so I don't even know why I'm doing this, but hopefully we can make it worth it and shoot a couple honkers. Scouted it. There were about 1 to 120, I'd say, and it's been filling up a little bit, I think. I guess we'll see what happens. Corey didn't wake up, so I'm hunting by myself, and yeah, should be able to get a pretty good height here with this. Maybe try and roll this bale over here, but I couldn't get it turned, so one bale's plenty. They're flying from this way anyways. Literally no wind, so I don't know how it's gonna work, but yeah. Fits like a glove. I just gotta get some wet straw on it so it'll fit better, but we can do that after. Holy double goose log. We're on the X. Absolutely eaten alive by mosquitoes right now. But we got the spread out and we're brushed in with 2 bales. But we got silhouettes all the way down by these bales, running up this hill, and then we have a couple back here, like back there, kind of just make it look like they're kind of feeding in groups and whatnot, but left them some holes here for them to land in. Yeah, I have some here. We got 5 or around the other side of this bale, and yeah, we're brushed in pretty good, but as you can see, this stuff is more golden, and that's just like, yeah, it doesn't look very good. But I couldn't, like, this stuff is wet, but like right on the inside it's just dry, so you can't really do anything about it, I guess. So this dry shell pouch is a lifesaver. Last year on a hunt, Cody Rice gave me a couple shells. Absolute duds. Probably did it on purpose, but I think it holds like 2.5 boxes. And then there's a little bit of, I don't know, like stuff they put in your process, or like jerky stuff, like the little packets. Keeps it dry, but it's like in a little mesh container on the side, so works pretty good actually. And then you're not sitting there bringing 5 boxes of half empty, or 5 half empty boxes. You can just throw them all together, so works pretty good. But yeah, see you when the geese start flying. How do we do this? Oh, dang it. Didn't go very well. I hear more geese flying, but they just landed like too far away. So I tried to push some decoys back there, so maybe it'll kind of trap them in there a little better. I don't know. It landed. The one landed behind the decoys. The other one landed in them. So I shot the one in the decoys, and the other one was just too far. I don't know, hopefully you do better on the next one. See what they do. I might have to move the decoys again, but yeah. Boom! I think that's 6. That's how you shoot. Ah. There's 2 right there. What the heck? Move these a lot sooner, but there are geese flying like constantly, so it's kind of hard. But just leave them more open here for them, I guess, and spread them out here. See if we can get them to land better. I realized how far this one was. It's like, I bet we're 65 yards from the blind. So, I don't know where that closest one I shot is. Oh, I see him. He's way up there, laying in the dirt. Well, that group did decent. They started to flare the last second. That's why I shot. I got 3 out of it. I shot 2, and 1 went down there. So I'll have to go look for him. So I think we have 11. So I can shoot 4 more. They keep coming. Yeah, rewatched the video. I only got 2 out of that group. Because the first one I shot is the one that went down there. I thought it was because I hit a second or a third one, but not good enough because he didn't die. So I got the one way down there, and then whatever, that first one went and died down there. So I think I have 10 down. So yeah. Hopefully a few more fly. It's been a pretty good hunt so far. Except for this mud. I mean, this is ridiculous. Like, great, and I can't even shoot that. I didn't even realize that was a full one. How incredible is that? Could be raining, so at least it's not raining. Oh shoot, I'm going the other way. Circle. Oh, here we go. Limit. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Bingo, that's a limit. Dude, I just wiped 5 more. It's a freaking limit. Get out of here, birds. Shoot. We got 15 on the ground. I miscounted. I didn't have 11, I had 10. Or I had 9 behind, I only had 9 behind the bale, so. Ugh! That's 15. Shot 6 on that group too. Early season goose limit. So low. This mud is still ridiculous. Oh gosh, these geese are trying to land. Probably hit them from here. Realistically, probably not. But yeah, this mud is an absolute mess. Like, I don't even want to know what it looks like down here where my feet are. Oh gosh, that ain't good. Well, it's all part of the fun. The worst part about this is I can't drive the pickup out here because it's so muddy. So I'm gonna have to carry back like 100 pounds of goose. At least. If each goose is like, yeah, like 8, 10, yeah. 8 pounds, it's over 100 pounds, so I think, I don't even know, I'm not mathing very good, but look at these Dakotas, absolutely gorgeous. What in the heck, what animal poops this out? What even is this? If anyone knows, drop it in the comments, because that is interesting. But turns out this gold straw didn't spook him too bad. I mean, it blends in a little bit, I guess. But Yeah, check out these bags at ducksbucks.com. Calls even got from there. I'm literally shooting the cheapest shells on planet Earth. But if you decoy them good, you ain't gotta buy black cloud. Except it probably would have helped today because half of them didn't decoy well. But whatever. Catch you on the next one.